Today, my recipe is Ayurvedic Kada. Research has shown that maintaining a healthy immune system is essential to combating infections, including the COVID 19 caused by the novel coronavirus. According to the Ayurveda, the herbs like tulsi, dalchini, kali mirch, shunthi, munakka, and other spices contain several immunity boosting properties and other healing compounds. So, including this drink in your diet may help you stay healthy and reduce your risk of contracting certain infections. The herbs and spices used in this drink can be specially beneficial during this allergy season. Ayush Ministry, Government of India recommended to take this special kada once or twice a day to improve your immunity, which will help your body fight off all infections. Let us prepare our kada or concoction in this video. Let us see, follow the instructions and demonstrations. You will benefit yourself. Thank you. This is tulsi or basil leaf. It is good remedy for fevers, colds, muscular pains, hiccups, asthma, pain in ribs due to cold and coughs. As we know, tulsi works very efficiently against harmful unwanted bacteria of the gut. It kills them. This proves its antibacterial action. It combats respiratory ailments. This is black pepper. It is high in antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It may benefit brain, improve sugar levels. It is used for arthritis, asthma, bronchitis, bacterial infection that causes cholera, depression, gas, headache. This black pepper is also known as king of spices because containing of rich antioxidants and other nutrients. Black pepper is extremely used for respiratory disorders and asthma. These are resins. Resins acts as antioxidants. Dry resins, when taken regularly, viral and bacterial infections like fever and common cold are kept at bay. Resins get high antioxidant properties due to a high level of phenolic phytochemicals. It is very useful in respiratory problems. This is dry ginger. It is an exceptional natural medicine used for treating common cold. It has antibacterial properties that help prevent any infections in the body. It is also known to help soothe sore throats and chest congestion. It is an anti-inflammatory herb and may also aid with respiratory condition. It is full of bronchorelaxant properties. Very useful. This dry ginger also kill rhinoviruses which causes cold in the first place. It has antioxidant properties. This is cinnamon. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. Cinnamon is a good ally in fighting respiratory infections such as sinus infection, bacterial infection, bronchitis, coughing, bacterial infections in cystic fibrosis, ear infection, and recurrent respiratory infections. Cinnamon is also a potent virus fighter, and research studies indicate benefits of fighting HIV, herpes virus, and adenoviruses that causes respiratory infections. Fungal respiratory infections can also benefit from its Antifungal property. These are black cardamom. As we know, black cardamom is a natural remedy for respiratory problems. You can combat asthma, cold, cough, and bronchitis with this black cardamom. Black cardamom contains a strong aromatic flavor and can fight dental disorders also, such as teeth and gum infections, as well as bad breath. Black cardamom has antioxidant and diuretic properties. It may lower blood pressure and may treat bad breath and soothe the mucous membranes, making it function better by relieving symptoms of acidity and upset stomach. These are the ingredients which I have discussed in powdered form. We will use this powdered form in our recipe. Take a jug of water. It contains 4 cups of water. Put now basil leaf finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of dried ginger. This is raisin, and we have added also black pepper. Now, when water becomes warm, we will add 1 jug of water again. We have to boil it till it reduces to its half of volume. We are making 4 cup of concoction, that is kada, so we are using 8 cups of water. After 15 minutes, it becomes half of its volume. It is now ready to serve. We will strain it in the same jug. You will find that it is exactly half of its volume. According to Ayurveda, these herbs and spices contain several immunity boosting properties and other healing compounds. Now I will serve it hot. This kada or concoction can be served in 3 ways. This is lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. We can take it with lemon juice. This is jaggery. We can take it with jaggery. This is honey. We can take it with honey. With 3 flavors, we can consume this kada. So, including this drink in your diet may help you stay healthy and reduce the risk of contracting certain infections. It is claimed that herbal drink can improve digestion and detox the body. The herbs and spices used in this drink can especially beneficial during allergy season. This is your homemade immunity booster drink. The Ayush Ministry recommended to take this special concoction once or twice a day to improve your immunity, which will help you to fight off infections. Above our 4 boxes, you can click any one to see more videos. Thank you for watching.